Welcome to my video lesson to help you learn how to speculate in English. Speculating means to make guesses about things you don't know for certain. We have special words called modal verbs that help us speculate, and we'll learn more about those today. This lesson is short and will take you about 15 minutes to complete. Feel free to stop and go back whenever you need to. 3 activities are included, and you can perform them alone or with a partner. Either way, I recommend having a pen and paper handy to take notes. Good luck, and please feel free to provide comments and feedback in the comments section of this video. In this first activity, look at the woman on the right. Write or discuss some questions you have about what she's doing, who she is, and where she is. Think of as many questions as you can. For instance, you can ask, who is she calling? Pause the video and continue only when you have finished. The activity should take around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, let's get started. I hope you enjoyed that activity. There are many questions you can use for this photo, but here are 5 I thought of. Who is she calling? Why is she using 2 phones? Where does she work? What is she thinking? And why is she wearing a badge? Now that we have some questions about this picture, let's look at some possible answers. For the question, who is she calling? You can guess that she might be calling her boss. For the question, why is she using 2 phones? You can answer that she could be looking up some important information on her cell. For the question, where does she work? One possible answer is that she may work in a hospital. Before moving on, look at the underlined verbs in each answer. What do you think these words mean? Today we're going to learn about the modal verbs may, might, and could. These are very common verbs in speaking and writing, and you need to understand them for effective communication. The modal verbs may, might, and could are used to speculate. We use them to guess about events and people we don't know. These verbs can be used in the past, present, or future, but today we're focusing only on the present tense. Now, with your partner or alone, I want you to write down or discuss what you think may, might, or could be happening in the photo on top. What might the location be? Who might be speaking? What could they be talking about? Feel free to speculate on anything related to this picture. Pause the video until you're ready to continue. This activity should take around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, let's get started. I'm sure you did great. Many answers are possible, but here are 3 I thought of. He could be giving a speech. These people might be at a conference. This may be a company party. Did you have any of these same answers? Did you have some different ones? Now for our final assignment. In this activity, you will speculate on someone you know. Think about your best friend. What might they be doing right now? Who could they be with? Where may they be? Write and discuss examples using may, might, and could. Pause the video and take at least 5 minutes to write or discuss. When you're finished, I will share some of the examples I thought of. You should pause now. Okay, here are some of the examples I created. My best friend might be eating lunch. My best friend could be with a work colleague. My best friend may be in the cafeteria. I bet you did great. I wonder if any of your guesses might be true. Thank you for taking part in this video lesson. I hope it's helped you to speculate more easily in English. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share those in the comments section. Good luck in your learning endeavors, and see you next time in the next video lesson.